chicken GoPro out. We're getting ready to check it out. Oh my God, that looks so good. Traeger, let's go. Traeger, let's go. Let's go ahead and take them off. Oh, it's not sticking to the grill either. Perfect. Just get a good grip on them. Oh my gosh. Let's take out the probe. Oh, it's not even sticking. That's really, really good. Oh my God, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Woo! Yes, I can't wait. I'm about to eat. That is good, you guys. I will be posting on my YouTube, and I'll also be posting on my Instagram. Let me know if you guys want the recipe, and I'll go ahead and maybe try to jot it down or start posting it on my Instagram or on my YouTube. Just let me know what you guys want from me, and I'll try to make it happen. Please remember to like, share, and please subscribe. I need motivation to keep going. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so good, you guys. Ooh, it's hot. And look at it just falling off. Get this bite. Get this bite. It's so good. Thanks, you guys. Traeger Nation.